3.5 lakh households, and we have been managed to reach and penetrate about 65% of households totally in Goa. Last week we were at 1.5 lakhs, and as of yesterday we are at 2.5 lakhs. This is indeed a landmark moment for us. We wanted to share that with you. The second thing is we've also launched the Yuva Shakti card. The YSC is meant for 18 to 45-year-olds, as you know, and that's also creating great momentum. We will be sharing numbers about that with you. Now, a couple of things. I don't want to respond to individual criticisms, but I do want to make some clarifications. There have been questions raised about this 5,000 rupees Griha Lakshmi that we are giving to people if we come to power. And the questions are that the current government already has something, and what are you doing? The question is this: the current government does indeed have something, but they have given it to a total of 250 crores, of which an allocation only of 150 crores was made. For the past 7 months, this 1,800 rupees per month has barely reached anyone, because they have obviously budgeted far short of funds. It can in no way be compared to the comprehensive 5,000 rupees to head of female household that we are giving. Also in Bengal, we've had questions about what are you doing in Bengal. We would invite all of you to go to the websites of Bengal, to go and find out and do some reading up on it. In Bengal, the reason our CM has come back to power, and the reason the Trinamool Congress has come back to power every 3 times, is not because of any other reason, but because we have been able to penetrate every single household in Bengal with schemes, with welfare schemes, and women-oriented welfare schemes like the Lakshmi Bhandar. We have budgeted 15,000 crores in 21-22 for the Lakshmi Bhandar project. 1.6 crore women have been targeted. We have been doing the Kanyashri project, which is keeping girls in school, paying them 500 rupees plus paying them 25,000 rupees as a one-time to keep them from getting married before age. And it is women-oriented schemes like this that have been running in Bengal. The United Nations has also awarded us for the Kanyashri scheme. So I think that it's high time that the people of Goa were also able to take benefit of these people-friendly welfare schemes that we have managed to do so successfully in Bengal. We think that the Lakshmi Bhandar, the Griha Lakshmi scheme, is going to be a game changer, and that is what is making the other parties jittery. The BJP has been in our power for 10 years. We have not stopped them from giving schemes. We have not told them that please budget only 150 crores for a scheme that will give 250 crores. We have not told them that please don't pay people for the past 7 months. We have not done any of this. We have not told you that only 2,800 people, you say you have a credit card. Only 2,800 people have got benefit of this credit card in a population of 10 lakhs. So I think the numbers are there for everyone to see. And we are here to say that schemes like Griha Lakshmi, schemes like YSC are only the beginning. And as we get forward, we will be putting forward more people-friendly schemes for the people of Goa. Thank you very much. I will hand it over to my colleague Sheetal, who will speak in Konkani.
माझे नाव शीतल गुंजीकर. तुमकां सगळ्यांक पयलीं हांव नमस्कार करता की तुमी सगळीं हांगा येयल्ली आसात, आनी हांव तुमकां मेन थिंग सांगपाक पळयता. आमकां सगळ्या गोंयकारांक हें खबर आसा की आमचे जे गृहलक्ष्मीचे आमी स्कीम काडिल्ली आसा तेज्या खातीर खूब जाणांनी आमकां क्वेश्चन केले की बाबा तुमी आमकां खरेंच दितले काय ना, ओ बेश्टे लोकांक तुमी पिशान काडून ही स्कीम मुखार व्हरपाक पळयता. पण हांव सांगपाक पळयता जेन्ना आमचो TMCचो गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जातलो तो स्कीम लागू जातलोच, सगळ्यांक लागू जातलो. पण आमकां जे आमचे TMCचे गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जावपाक जाय तेज्या खातीर सगळे मुखार येवन गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करतकीरच कळटले लोकांक की हां बाबा ही स्कीम लागू जावपाक लागला. तर तेज्या पयलीं कोण काय कसले डिसिजन घेवंक शकना की ही स्कीम लागू जावपा ना, जातले काय ना ते. पण आतां पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमी 2 लाख पॉयंट सद्याक रजिस्टर कंप्लीट केल्ली आसा, आनी आमचे जे आनी कितें आसा तेय आमी कंप्लीट करपा लागला. बिफोर द इलेक्शन वील कंप्लीट ऑल द थिंग्स. आनी म्हाका दिसता की आमकां दिसता बी न्हू, स्पेशली हांव लिडर जावन जेन्ना हांव ग्रावंड फ्लोरार काम करता, हांवें लोकांचे रिस्पॉन्स इतले बरें पळयला. लोकांनी आमकां घरा भितर व्हरून हे स्किमा बद्दल विचारिल्लें आसा, आमी तांकां एक्सप्लेन करून सांगिल्लें आसा, तेंच्यांनी एक्सेप्ट केल्लें आसा. तर लोक सुद्दां आमचे कंटाळलेले आसा BJP गव्हर्मेंटा खातीर, आनी BJP गव्हर्मेंटान जे 10 वर्सान लोकांक अशें रडयल्लें आसा ते लोकांक आतां परत फॉलो करपा नाका. लोक म्हणटा की बाबा भायली पार्टी येयला आनी कितें करतली, पण हांव सांगपाक पळयता भायली पार्टी खंयची ना, सगळी भायली पार्टी आसा. पण भायली पार्टी येवन कितें भायली पार्टी येवन हांगा ती राज करपा ना, हांगा राज करतली आमीच न्हू, आमीच आसतली, आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक हेल्प करपाक आमीच मनशां आसतली. भायली पार्टी येवन राज करून तांकां हेल्प करपा ना, हे एक प्लीज अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय. आनी सेकंड थिंग, आतां आमची जी सीएमाची वायफ आसा, हांव डायरेक्ट तोंडार उलयपी मनीस, फाटल्यान उलोवपाक म्हाका जायना. जस्ट आय विल नॉट पॉयंट आउट ऑल्सो, डायरेक्टली उलयतलें हांव. आमची सीएमाची वायफ आसा आनी जी आमची बीजेपीची जी महिला जी कोण ती आसा ती आतां डायरेक्ट म्हणटा की आमी लोकांक पिशॉन काडटा, अशे स्किम्यो दाखोवन हे दाखोवन. हांव म्हणटा तुमकां हे उलयपाक मुखार येवपाक कळटा जेन्ना आमची 19 वर्साची चली सिद्धी नायक, इतले यंग चलीचे जेन्ना अशे तेका उक्ते मारून उडयले आनी तुमी सांगता की सुसायड केल्ले. कोणाक पिशॉन काडपाक पळयता? आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक. ल्हान ल्हान भुरगो सांगतलो कितें जाल्लें त्या चली कडेन आनी कितें ना. कोण सुसायड करता कितें उक्त्या आंगार मरपा वचना. आयज पर्यंत खंयची केसीस आसा उक्त्या आंगार मरपाक गेल्ली? जेन्ना ती समज स्किम्यो बद्दल झगडपा येवं शकता जाल्यार हांव तांकां एक एडवायस दिता, तुमी इतले पावरान आसतना सिद्धी नायकाक तुमी न्याय दिवपाक पावना, ती मनशां तुमी स्किमी बद्दल उलयच नाकात. जेन्ना आमी हे केसी मुखार वयला सिद्धी नायकाचे, जाल्यार तुमी आतां येवन सांगता की रजिस्टर करात, हे करात, ते करात. अरे बाबा, लॉ सगळ्यां खातीर एक आसपा जाय. व्हडलो मनीस आसा म्हणून तुमी तेजे बोळसान तुमचे पयशे येता की ताका न्याय दिवपाचे, तसले हे करनाकात. न्याय दियात पयलीं, आमच्या गोंयच्या चलीक न्याय दियात. आमची गोंय सेफ आसपा जाय, आमची गोंयची चलयो सेफ आसपा जाय. स्पेशली आमचे जे पुलीस आसात तांकां तुमी आपल्या अंडर दवरपाक पळयनाकात, तांकां ओपनली तेंचे काम करपा दियात. तुमी प्रेशरायज करनाकात की बाबा आपूण हांगाचो सीएम आसा, तुमी आपल्या भाशेन काम करात, तसले प्लीज करपा वचनाकात. तुमी न्याय दितात जाल्यार पयलीं तुमी न्याय सिद्धी नायकाक दियात आनी मागीर आमकां पॉयंट आउट करात. देन वील थिंक दॅट तुमी कितें केलां. आनी आतां हांव सांगपाक पळयता, जे आमच्यो स्किम्यो आसात ते जेन्ना आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म जातले तेन्ना शुअर हे स्किम्यो स्टार्ट जातले. तर हांव फक्त आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक पळयता, प्लीज तुमी ह्या टायमार समज दोळे उक्ती करूं ना, देन यू हॅव टू सफर मोर 5 years. तुमकां परत 5 वर्सां बीजेपी अंडर तुमकां सफर करपाक पडटले आनी आमकां हे नाका. प्लीज जाता तितले अवॉर्ड करात आनी बरे मनशाक निवडून हाडात, ताकी तुमच्या खातीर तो ग्राउंड फ्लोरार येवन काम करूं शकता. तुमच्या खातीर रात दीस तो तुमी जेन्ना जेन्ना ताका आपयता, आवाज दिता, तुमच्या खातीर तो येवं शकता. अशे मनशाक निवडून हाडनाकात जो मनीस म्हणटलो की बाबा तूं खंयच्यान येयला, तूं म्हाका लागना, हांव तुजो MLA न्हू. असले मनशाक निवडून हाडनाकात. असले मनशाक हाडात की तुमकां रात दीस केन्नाय पावतलो आनी केन्नाय हेल्प करतलो. प्लीज जाता तितले TMC कडेन मातशें फोकस करात. नेगेटिव्ह मनशां खूब सांगतली तुमकां, खूब आसतले. तेंचे आयकून समज तुम्ही फॉलो केले जाल्यार आमी मुखार सरपाक पावपाना. देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू. Questions?
Madam, yesterday Mahila Morcha BJP wing has filed a complaint against TMC, Election Commissioner of India.
What is the complaint?
Saying that you are calling to the ladies of Goa and asking their personal data for this thing, 5,000 scheme.
It's number one, the election commission the MCC has not been announced. I would really advise her to go and read up on the law. Number one, the election commission Goa is not under the jurisprudence of the election commission because the MCC has not come into play as of yet. The election has not been announced, so election commission has nothing to do with it. We are giving a card, we are going to people and telling them nobody is forcing them. If they want to enroll in the card, it's like a credit card. Or if somebody comes to your house and says, give us your name and give us whatever else, and if you don't want it, you say no. That's as simple as that. Nobody is forcing them. This is completely ridiculous. I would really suggest to the Mahila Morcha, I don't blame her because most of the BJP are actually mired in ignorance and have no idea about either the law or due process. So I don't blame her, but I would really suggest that she, at least reads up on what the legalities in this country are, because there is no legal framework under which to file any complaint against this. We are asking people to sign up for the card. If they want to, they do it. If they don't want to, they don't do it. It's as simple as that.
उनका ये भी कहना है ममता दीदी बंगाल में दे रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं दे रहे हैं, गोवा में कैसे वादा कर सकते हैं 5,000?
अच्छा वो हम किसका, हमको अगर हम तो बोल रहे जब हाथी चले बाजार तो कुत्ता भौंके हजार, हम ये बार बार कह चुके हैं, हम फिर कह रहे हैं। ममता दीदी 3 बार की मुख्यमंत्री है, उनके बारे में कौन गोवा के कौन महिला मोर्चा का कौन क्या बोले उसका जवाब मुझे देना पड़ेगा। बंगाल के लोग अभी जो चुनाव हुआ है उसमें जवाब दे दिया है, 3 बार उनको फिर मुख्यमंत्री चुने। अगर वो कुछ नहीं देती तो बंगाल के लोग बेवकूफ थोड़ी है जो उनको 3 बार के बाद वो कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए इनका जवाब मुझे नहीं दे पड़ रहा है।
गृह लक्ष्मी के आधार ऐसे तुम दे रहे हैं बंगाल?
यस, लक्ष्मी भंडार स्कीम है, वो दे रहा है, पर वो ईच मेंबर ऑफ हाउस होल्ड को दे रहे हैं, तो 500 टू ईच मेंबर। हियर ओनली 1 पर्सन गेट्स 5,000, वहां पे एवरी मेंबर गेट। सो अगर वहां पे एक सास हो और 4 बहुएं हो तो सबको मिलता है, और यहाँ पे ओनली 1 पर्सन इज गेटिंग पर फीमेल हेड ऑफ हाउस होल्ड, सो द स्कीम्स आर डिफरेंट। वहां पे वी हैव गिवन 15,000 crores per year to 1.6 crore women. 15,000 crores, which is 4 to 5% of the budget. Over here, we are giving the same 4 to 5% of budget, which is going to be 2,000 crores. So the allocation is the same. Allocation budget में देखना, उन लोग को तो ये सब समझ नहीं आता है। अगर आपके पास टाइम हो तो थोड़ा समझा दीजिएगा कि ये सब बजट एलोकेशन देख के किया जाता है। बीजेपी के नहीं, जैसा उनका गृह आधार स्कीम में 250 करोड़ का बजट है और एलोकेट किया है 150 करोड़, इसीलिए पैसा खत्म हो गया, किसी को दे नहीं पा रहे।
मैडम बीजेपी महिला मोर्चा ने ऐसा भी कहा है कि आपके बजट में से आप 1% महिलाओं को दे दे लक्ष्मी भंडार स्कीम के अंडर, तो आपको क्या कहना है?
हमारा 15,000 crores दे रहा है। The allocation in the West Bengal budget is 15,000 crores.
What is the percentage?
For 1.4, 1.7, it is 4 to 7%. It is, what is it? It's 6 to 7% of the budget. It is there in our numbers. 15,000 crores is the number to 1.6 crore women. This is all there on the website. This has been done. It is in the budget numbers. इन लोगों को तो पढ़ना लिखना आता नहीं है, कुछ भी बोल देते। अब क्या करें, इसका जवाब दे, सबका जवाब दे बैठ के हम।
मैडम आपने बोल दिया है वहाँ पे बंगाल में हर महिला को 500 रुपए दे रहा है।
हर महिला नहीं, यहाँ पे जो दे रहा है, यहाँ पे 1 person per household gets it, इसीलिए 5,000 मिल रहा है। 1 person per household gets it. But Goa's earning is also more. Goa's average income is 10,000 rupees. Please understand. Bengal and Goa in per capita are different states. You have to adjust for that. अगर आपको इंडिया में आपको कोई 2 रुपया दे और आप इंग्लैंड जाए तो इंग्लैंड में आपको तो उसका 2 पाउंड देना पड़ेगा ना, तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन दिस आल्सो. It has been calibrated for the difference in living conditions between Goa and Bengal, number one, and second, every member of the household in Bengal gets it. So if there are 6 women in the household, all 6 will get it. In Goa, only 1 female head of household is getting a larger sum.
But right now in Goa, while your people are registering the card,
Right.
Every family there are 2-3 ladies. They all are giving.
If there are, it is done on the basis of ration cards.
Yeah.
It is, if
what,
there are.
What about in future? Will that get cancelled of other?
No. It's very simple. If in a household there is a mother-in-law and there are 2 sons in the same household, the ration card is in the name of the father-in-law, then only 1 will be given per household. If the two sons are separate households and they have 2 separate ration cards, then 2 separate cards will be given. That's as simple as that. If today they are living under joint family, in future one son moves out, he gets a separate ration card for himself, then his wife can apply for a new one. It's as simple. It is done per ration card.
Last 2 days back, Times Namo survey has published that it shows that TMC has not 1% vote sharing in.
This is the brilliant channel that was started by a certain Mr. Who's actually now disappeared from the scene and is living and hiding in a farmhouse in Delhi, and he's moved on to another channel. This channel actually said that BJP will get 200 seats in Bengal. So I wish them luck. They said BJP will get 200 seats in Bengal. We saw what happened there. So I'm not putting my faith on these channels and letting them be.
Last time Arvind Kejriwal also made a statement on you that you are not in race.
That's okay. He is also fighting for a democratic space in this thing. He is a leader of a different party, and he is going to talk about his party. I can say he is not in the race. That doesn't get us anywhere. It is fully within his democratic rights to say that if he feels we are not in the race. That's okay. Time will show.
Madam, your ex-member Raul Namledar and Tara Keshav have put press conference regarding saying that people are cheating the Goan people by taking the Aadhaar card, plus you people are dividing the Hindus and Muslims. What do you like to say?
I think people have already commented on this. I don't have anything to comment on this. I think he came from the MGP, and obviously when we did an alliance with the MGP, his personal animosity towards the MGP was such that he was pretty much saying anything he felt like. So I don't think I want to reply to that. I think it's very clear what the TMC's agenda of good governance and development is here, number one. And the second thing is, like I said, that when you're registering for anything, that you take the person's details, and they don't want to register, nobody's forcing them for it. It's as simple as that. Mr. Bamledar doesn't want his wife to get 5,000 rupees, she doesn't have to enroll. It's as simple as that. Nobody's forcing him.
You have done any study how you will give this 5,000 to females if you come into the
Yes,
power?
of course we've done it. Of course we've done it. It will come out of the budget, and it's when you come into power, you look at your revenues, you look at your budget, and you allocate. And we've already said that's about 5 to 6% of the budget. It's the same thing that we're doing in Bengal. Like for example,
But is it possible in
of course
Goa?
it's possible. AAP in Delhi is spending 25% on education and health. Tell me. So similarly, Bengal is spending an absolutely enormous
But in
amount.
Delhi also central government.
Central government does not do anything.
On the roads and
Not at all. The
everything.
Delhi government, not at all. The Delhi government is spending whatever they get, 25% on health and 25% on education. No, Goa government is not doing that. In Bengal, for example, we are giving on all these welfare schemes for women, we have got over 14% of our budget. Goa government is not doing that. Who is stopping them from doing it? They have been in power 10 years. We have only come here 3 months. Why are they so bothered? Let them do something good. If we are giving 5,000, let them give 6,000. Forget that. Let them give their 1,800, which they have not given for 7 months. Let them give that only. Now we are not telling them what to give. The power is with them. Instead of stealing money, doing land grabs, stealing money, doing ghotala in everything, getting Kala Academy 49 crores without tender, why don't you spend that money and give it to people who deserve it? We have not stopped them, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.